Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment when information is required. You need a payment method to access this functionality. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue that you need a payment method to access this function, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you don't have any payment method added to your iPhone, or you are trying to access any function which use your payment method. So you just have to add a payment method first to fix the issue. So you just have to simply open your app store and then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select account, and here you just have to select the option of country or region. So select country or region option, and now you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So you have to select your own country or region. So just look for your own country and region in which you're living. Once you find, select that, and then tap on continue option, and then you just have to select the agree in the top right corner, and after that you just have to add your payment method here. So you just have to add your payment method. You can use this camera option to enter your payment method directly, or you can add manually your payment method here. And once you have added all the informations, you just have to tap on the done option in the top right corner, and after that you will not find the issue again. Your payment method will be successfully added to your iPhone or your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.